Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa just came back from a short trip from Lumut. And every time when I come back from a short trip, the first thing I want to do at home is to steam a fish. Because nowadays it's so expensive to order fish outside. Well, you can pay like, I don't know, very, very expensive. So I prefer to actually buy some good fish online than steam it at home, right? So much cheaper. This is one of my most favorite fish. It is called hong ji, yeah, ang gui. They say the meat actually tastes like chicken. That's how it get its name. That's why you say hong ji, literally red chicken, yeah. But I think it's called bluebird lips or crimson snapper. Okay, so the flesh is a lot more tender compared to the normal red snapper. You want to try this fish if you can get it, yeah? Do get it. I have a huge fish here. It's actually slightly bigger than my plate, but this is the biggest plate I have, so I've got no choice to use it. Luckily, this is only half of the fish. If not, it's too big for my family, yeah? This fish is probably close to like, I don't know, 1.6 kg maybe, or even more. Right, so this is probably about 700-800 grams easily. I requested the seller to actually butterfly cut it. Let me just show you. It actually cut off into 2 pieces. The other day I already steamed another side. So this is another, oh, I have some fishy water here. Let's remove the fishy water. Okay, so I make few slits on the fish body and put few pieces of ginger here. And we can marinate it with a little bit of salt, then we can send it to the steamer. And today I'm going to make my favorite sauce. Preheat your steamer to 100 degrees Celsius and above. Put the fish inside, put it in, let it steam for approximately about 10 minutes, yeah, 10, 11. This fish is quite big, so I actually put there 12 minutes. Quickly make my favorite sauce, jiang zhen, yeah, meaning you steam it with mixed fermented beans paste. Very, very yummy. So I have some big chili here, 6, 7, 8 pieces, up to you. 2 cloves of garlic, a bit of ginger. Then this is important to get the jiang zhen flavor here. About 1 teaspoon of daoju, 1 teaspoon of fermented soya bean, and also 1 teaspoon of salted black bean. Mix these 2 beans together, and then you can actually coarsely chop it, or you can press it, squash it, so that the flavor can release better. So the jiang zhen flavor really comes from here. Yeah. So we're going to chop the ginger and ginger, garlic, chili into a paste. Actually, do I want to put it in? Maybe no need lah. Oh, we can actually add a bit of water to ease the blending process. Use any chopper you have. Alright, see whether we have the paste we wanted. I don't mind more fine, so I'm going to put in more water here. Right, you want this kind of consistency. Then let's get ready a wok or pan. Give it some oil here, vegetable oil, and let's heat it up. Then we shall saute the beans, yeah? Saute the fermented beans. Super, super fragrant. Always good to saute any fermented beans you have. That will brings out the flavor even further. Also, it will also try to remove the any earthiness, should there be any, coming from the fermented process itself. Next thing, I'm going to tune down the fire a little bit. Oyster sauce, tomato sauce. Easily 5-6 tablespoons of tomato sauce. You also want to saute your tomato sauce, then only you can get the color, yeah, the beautiful orangey color out. You can start seeing the oil started to become orangey immediately. I do notice some certain brand of tomato sauce, the color of this red color actually release better than the other. Let me double check the focus. All right. Next thing, the chili paste. So this sauce is not spicy actually. More fermented beans flavor and also sweet and a bit of savory. And actually a bit of sourish as well. So usually the restaurant will also put in this thing called plum sauce, which is sweet and sour. Now I don't have plum sauce with me today, so I'm going to, instead of plum sauce, I'm going to put in some assam puree instead. Of course, now I have the sourness. I still need the sweetness, of course. This is 1 teaspoon of assam puree. We will need quite a bit of sugar on this. Let's start with about close to 2 tablespoons. We can adjust accordingly later. We can adjust to taste later. I used to only use fermented soya bean to make this sauce, but then one day I realized actually if you add the salted black bean, the taste will be so much more stronger. You will bring the whole dish to another level. So you should add these 2 beans together, yeah? Almost there. And give it some water here. I don't mind giving some light soy sauce. And some salt, yeah? About half teaspoon of salt. This sauce is almost done. So now all you need to do is just to use salt and also sugar to adjust the taste. That's it. It should be a little bit more sweeter than savory, yeah? Done. That's how simple it is to make your own jiangzhen sauce. Look at the beautiful color. Very appetizing, isn't it? My fish is almost ready. Let's go and take a look at the fish. This sauce is done, so I'm going to off the fire. Right, the moment I finish my sauce, the fish is also done. Let me open the lid. Wow. Let me show you the fish. Let's look at how beautiful this fish is. So I'm going to move this to my kitchen. All right, so here's the fish, and I have removed the fishy water. You have to pour away the fishy water because there's a source of fishiness. Next thing, I will remove the ginger. Oh, the fish is so beautiful. All right, next thing. To banjil it with our beautiful fermented bean sauce. Wow. Oh. All right. Next thing, I'm going to. 等下先，贝拉，等下先，等下先。I'm going to. 等下，等下。I'm going to. Sorry, I'm talking to my daughter. I'm going to garnish it with some spring onion on top. I ran out of my fresh coriander. All right, so here's my very simple dinner today, but guarantee very, very yummy. Steamed fish with fermented sauce, yeah, 酱蒸红鲫鱼. So if you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy my video. Bye bye.